equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Thermomix TM5 is a fantastic kitchen appliance, but it can sometimes experience issues such as overheating or unresponsive controls. These problems can arise from a variety of factors, including wear and tear or electrical faults. If not addressed promptly, they can lead to more significant damage and costly repairs. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement component, which can be sourced from a reliable supplier. To begin the repair, ensure the device is unplugged for safety. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing, taking care not to damage the plastic clips. Once open, locate the control board, which is often the source of the malfunction. It will be situated near the front of the device, connected by several screws and cables. Gently disconnect the cables using the tweezers, applying minimal force to avoid damaging them. Remove the screws securing the control board, noting their size for reassembly. Once the board is free, replace it with a new component, ensuring all connections are secure. Reattach the screws, being careful not to over-tighten them, as this can crack the casing. After reassembling the device, plug it in and test its functionality. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your Thermomix TM5 is regularly cleaned and maintained, and avoid overloading it during use. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.